Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, ever since Trump tariffs have gone live, majority of the markets, including stock market, currency, everything is struggling. Everything is in the slums. But when you talk about the crypto market, it's actually holding on to its price very well. Especially Bitcoin is actually staying above the demand zone, which is between 80,000 and 84, clearly suggesting that inflow of cash from whales might be increasing very soon, and the next leg of the bull market is going to start. Well, when that starts, you want to ensure that you are on the right track to make the most profit. And where does most of the profit come from? Meme coins. Now, out of all the meme coins, it's actually very hard to pick which one will be your best and which one is going to make you the most amount of profit. Well, there's one that I have been paying attention to, and it's called Doge Altcoin. This is pretty much Doge 2.0. Dogecoin is being supported by Elon, and you guys can see the Doge armies there. Pepe, everything is there, and at the same time Dogecoin is in the leadership. Now keep in mind, this token currently is still in a pre-sale stage, so you can actually be in it very early, and that's the reason I want to talk about this token. First of all, what is this token about? Well, first of all, it is a meme coin, and the tokenomics looks something like this. 147 billion Dogecoin will be minted in total. They will be distributed into 14 main pools, each with different unlocking schedules. At the same time, the tokenomics are going to be validator will get 30%, funds 6.5%, AI ecosystem 6%, P2E, which is play to earn 5%, team 5%, airdrop 4%, liquidity 4%, social media 4%, reserve fund 2%, and these are the public sale rounds. At the same time, it's always a meme season. Scalable architecture is going to allow for this token to be able to do better things. So it's not just going to be a meme coin. They want to also build an ecosystem around it, at the same time ensure that they're able to be cost efficient and have advanced security protocols. Doge AI mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. So you can see that as they're going to build on utility with the largest meme coin currently, obviously more things are going to happen. And next gen social media, so they will be having the NFT integration, cryptocurrency support, personalized recommendation, and monetization, as you will be able to make money through different things. I mean, monetization includes everything. What's Among Us, Sus Doge? Well, this is just going to be a play to game that's going to be coming soon. This is going to be a marketplace, which is going to be for NFTs, and you will be able to get that done as well. And this is the roadmap. There is 4 different roadmap, one for blockchain, game, Q, Doge AI, and SHIBA. Now, blockchain is obviously the most important one to ensure that the ecosystem keeps building, and you can see that in Q1 they have already done quite a large of finalizing the testnet and mainnet preparation. In the second one, mainnet launch and post-launch monitoring, future development and decentralization scaling, and then innovation and continue the growth 2027 and beyond. If you look at their Twitter group, you can see that they do have a large following with close to, you can say, 800,000 followers, and there are some very important people that actually follow, and one of them being Elon Musk. That's just insane to say. At the same time, if you do want to purchase it, you simply just need to go to their website, and you can just click on, over here, you can just connect your wallet and just put in how much BNB you would like to convert into Doge ICO, or you can also just go to the app, which is just click on open, and you will be able to do it here as well, which is identical. At the same time, another thing that's really interesting is they have only raised $500,000 currently when I'm making this video. So you do understand that it's still very early into this project. There is still so much more that's going to be growing in future. Even if it just makes it to $10 million market cap, that's very, very little for majority of the tokens, which usually happen, and that's already a 20x, and the next price is going to be 51, and you can see the listing price is going to be 1 cent. Just from where we're sitting currently, the listing price is already a 2x as compared to the price currently. So if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. I do want to mention, at the end of the day, this is a meme coin and this is not financial advice, so make sure you guys do your own research before you decide to put your money into anything, because this is just my personal opinion. I do see a good potential in terms of how well this project can do. If you do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. And seeing how well the crypto market in terms of meme coins is growing, there's definitely a lot of potential with this token. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.